Hello guys, today we are watching the last episode of Chainsaw Man. I'm super excited about it, and if you are too, then let's start. Oh, isn't that the devil of Jimeno? The ghost devil?
1本あげる。
骨が腐るから吸わない。
長い付き合いに
Flashback.
欲しいな。
That time when she insisted him to smoke.
一本だけ吸ってやる。一生で吸うタバコはこの一本だけだ。
やったー。
And it was never the last one.
未成年に吸わせるなんて最低な先輩だ。
未成年なの。
And the same reaction with Benji. She always likes underage guys.
残せ。じゃあ
Regretted.
私が預かっておこう。君が大人になって何かに寄りかかりたくなったら返してあげる。
Okay, she's always like on the edge. Oh boy. It's super scary. What's happening? A devil is handing something over to him. What's that? You guys, I'm so tense. Ah! What? Don't smoke, you guys. It's bad for health. Easy revenge. Fear. He's confident. He will die. Oh. The head is off. She's shocked. Oh, when did she come? I didn't see her coming.
Kobeni, お前はどうして公安に残ったんだ?
Money is necessary. Look at these two. They look so good together, like they're matching. Oh, gross. Ah.
肉は肉じゃろ。豚も牛も人も同じじゃ。
全然違うね。俺たちの仕事はサムライソードを捕まえることだ。捕まえても食うんじゃねえぞ。
She may try to. Oh boy, look at that one.
気づいてね。大きな声出すなよ。
They are zombies, they are stupid. She will do something stupid. Yes, I knew she would do something stupid. Come on.
デンジ、わしについてこい。後ろは任せるぞ。
She's a horrible.
わしは逃げてない。
He's just leaving. He's like, I'm not interested.
強敵じゃん。デンジ、
That zombie's gigantic.
タワーが一番最強じゃん。
He's so calm, like nothing's happening. Those zombies were looking easy to kill, though, like pretty dumb. Oh
出た
boy.
お土産マン。
待て待て待て。少し話さないか。
あ
He's so ready to attack. He's like,
俺たちはただ怒りを収めたいだけなんだ。
oh.
デンジ、お前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺した。その償いをしてほしい。
てめえのお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ。
嘘つけんじゃ
I mean, of course.
敵のねえバカすぐ嘘つきやがる。それが仮に本当だったとして、ゾンビも元は人間。そいつらを殺して。
Oh, so they should be alive? No, of course not.
俺もさ
Why would he?
心臓が刀の悪魔になっちまってるみたいだが、そんな俺でもな、うっかりゾンビを殺しちまった夜には眠れなくなるぜ。お前に限っては心がもう人じゃねえんだよ。少しでも人の良心が残ってるなら
He doesn't give.
うん。やだ。
なるほど。じゃあ殺してやるよ。
やってみろよベ
Ooh. Boy, look at that. They're fighting in the air. Like they're flying. He's about to fall. Oh. Oh my god. They're gonna fight there on top of the train.
デンジ、お前は何のために戦ってる？
He must be stronger than before.
かな。
公安様はそんな大層な暮らししてんのか？
口うるせえのとわがままなのがいるけどな。そこそこ気に入ってるぜ。だからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだよ。
Everything for Makima.
あ？もう
He's so confident.
のか？俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
さこが！
Imagine Imagine the people around looking through the window, like, what's going on there? Yeah, there's a small emergency going on inside the train. Anyone would freak out at this point. What? Where is he? He lost both arms.
もう戦えないだろう。
Cannot fight anymore.
じいちゃん殺したこと死ぬ前に謝罪しろ。
I don't think he will. He will not do it.
まだ戦えるぜ。
With the head. You know?
チェンソーが残ってる。
That's what I thought.
じいちゃんにも教わらなかったか。
He's so stubborn.
謝罪しろ。
How will he attack now? What can he do? He lost already.
頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがとなバーカ。
Huh?
じじいに教わらなかったか。獣が狩人の言葉信じるなって。
What the hell? What the hell? What? He was cut in half. I was not expecting it. Oh.
やっぱあんた、俺と同じなんだな。
Hmm.
の手の刀抜いたらさ、真っ二つの体もくっついたぜ。
Yeah, they are similar.
ぶっ殺してやら。
負け犬の声はでけえな。警察がてめえを迎え来るまで、ここでじーっと待って。
That was so unexpected. I thought he would lose.
納得できないんだよね。てめえは姫の先輩を殺した。面のいい。
Mm.
てめえのせいで世界から一人減った。
What the hell? So insensitive.
一生刑務所暮らし。それじゃ俺がすっきりしねえ。
お前には何もできねえだろう。公安の犬不在がよ。
Hmm.
今から大会を開く。
大会。
あ、いいとこに来たな。
こちら4課早川。時計館内線路内にて拘束済みの目標を発見。応援求む。
早川の先輩も参加するか。最強の大会によ。
He will.
こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。こ
Mm.
いつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ。だから大会を開く。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって、警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
正気かお前。
He's a psycho. We all know that. What will Aki say about this?
呼
Mm.
んねえのか。
Because he's not like him, like
俺た
Denji.
ちの仕事はこいつを
Just to catch him.
見たぶってう 草を晴らすことじゃない。
Yeah.
そんなことしたら
He's
姫の先輩は喜ばない。
yeah. He's responsible and he's mature. He's not like Denji. But I guess he wants to hurt him also, even though he is responsible and a good guy. He loved Himeno at the end. Mm.
ああ。勝ったら何くれんだ。
そりゃもちろん
Ah. Mm. I cannot take her seriously. Oh.
天国まで聞こえるか。 俺たちから安泰。
Right where it hurts.
レク
Right where it hurts. I was confused about Aki. What will he
今
do?
回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。彼女が銃の悪魔と契約し、銃をヤクザに流しました。その対価として沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。
それでなぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を欲しがった？
それが聞き出す前に。
That's what happened?
銃の悪魔との契約で自動的に自殺したのかもしれません。今回の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。我々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
ついにか。どこに向かって動いた？
Oh, so that's it? Okay, it continues. Ah, of course he will smoke. This one he should keep him. Thinking about Jimeno. Oh, he will smoke this one in her honor.
いつも見る夢だ。いつも見て、いつも忘れる夢。
デンジ、
落ちた
Pochita.
落ちた。出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせてくれ。
デンジ、
Is it
絶対に
there?
やっちゃダメだ。
Nothing happened. I thought something would happen and I would get a jump scare, but everything's fine.
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Now, yes, it's over. Oh wow, what an episode! I felt so many things here. And this last episode was so epic and the fights were so good. I was shocked and out of words. Like this great fight between the Denji Chainsaw Man and the Katana Man in the train, on the train, on the air. That was crazy and I loved it. I loved every single second of it. I still had some good laughs with Power. We got to see a little bit of Makima at the end. And the emotional part that is Aki and this special relationship that he was having with Himeno. And every single episode of Chainsaw Man has a bit of everything, laughs and tears and emotion and fight, and I loved every single episode of Chainsaw Man, and I hope that you enjoyed as much as I did. So once again, thank you for everything and bye!